Welcome. In front of me I have a Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Wear OS application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the Fossil Gen 6 in the app, basically the device page for it. Now scroll down, tap on Advanced Settings, and here tap on Disconnect Fossil Gen 6. Tap on Disconnect. The watch will disappear from the app. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. If you open the settings on your iPhone, you can go to Bluetooth, and here you will see Fossil Gen 6 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And once you're done, basically that's it. That's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.